Hello and welcome to QGIS 2. Today we are going to see about how to work on raster data in QGIS. In this case, I will use DEM or digital elevation model as a QGIS import in QGIS, and we will see some properties, some functionalities, some symbologies, and coloring, and as well as how to clip or how to extract out our study area from the larger data set, from the smallest study area from the largest raster data set. So firstly, as usual, you can add this raster data by two methods. The first one is go to data source manager, yes, and select your raster. And the second one is just go to your D drive and select your data. So in this case, I will show you digital elevation model. So let me add digital elevation model or DEM step. So DEM, this is a digital elevation model of country Ethiopia with 20 meters resolution. If you examine, yes, 20 meters of resolution. So this one, yes, great. So let me double click on DEM or right click, then go to properties. Then as always, you can go to information, name this DEM Ethiopia, path, it is the folder where you put your data, and you can get information from provider, this one, and you can get other things, the coordinate systems, yes, bands, and just like this. So source, you can assign coordinates reference system, BPSG, WGS 84, and UTM zone source 37. So layer source, as I told you, this is the place or the folder or the path that you have your data, in your D drive or C drive. So just now, let us go to symbology. Always by default, it will contain render type. It is single band gray. So let us change this to single band pseudo color. Yes, great. For example, let us apply this. Yes, this one. Okay, very great. Or you can change this one by going to this one, greens, grays, or for example, let us change to this one. Yes, this one. Oh, great. Or you can change also by going to this one, all color ramps. Yes, all color ramps. If you go to all color ramps, you will get such kinds of options, and you can select your suitability. Or you can create your own new color ramp. Yes, then clearly select this one, the catalog. Okay. Yes, all ramps. This one, 1152 color ramps is available here for different purposes. For example, diverging greens, grays, precipitation. For example, if you click this one, radius. For example, this one, temperature. This one, topography, or as it is. Elevation is one part of topography, so let us select from this. You can select DEM or you can select elevation. Yes, now select elevation, just click OK, apply, OK. Great. So great change color has been produced. Now let us move back to this one and change it to other. For example, transparency. Let us this, yes, apply, okay, yes, Now let us click on zoom to layer. Yes, this is not a good option, and you can go to this picture, for example, and play. Yes, this one, or you can just go back to this one once again, create new color ramps. Yes, catalog. Okay. Yes, topography. Let me select topography. Let me select topography and select this one, or select this elevation, which is the best one. Okay, apply. Yes, this one. Now let me add my study area. Yes, let me zoom to layer. Yes, this one. Now let me change to change the symbology of this. Click on simple fill. Click on this fill style. Fill style. No bush. No bush means no fill at all. Yes, this is great. So now I don't want all the biggest data set, so I want to clip or extract out my study area digital elevation model. As you can see here, the lowest one is minus 196 below sea level meters, and the highest one is 4,540 meters above mean sea level. It is information of the largest data set or the largest DEM. Now let me clip out this. You can compute this by using two methods. One is go to raster, and the other one is just go to this one and right click. And now go to this raster, for example, and go to extraction. Then there are two options: clip raster by extent and clip raster by mask layer. The first one is this is your polygon, and clip raster by extent means by preserving this polygon, the algorithm will compute the result in rectangles or in boxes. That is not suitable, and I don't want that, and I will select the second one. The second one means clip raster by mask layer. What is the mask layer? The mask layer is my study area, or the mask layer is my study area boundary. So let me click on this. So this is parameters already listed. The first one is input layer. The input layer must be obviously the DEM data, the DEM or the largest data set or the raster. Okay, that is going to be clipped, and the mask layer means the material used to clip your input layer or the largest data set. That means your study area boundary. Yes. So leave other things as it is and just keep a resolution of input raster. Check this box and click on run. Great. So as you can see, loading result layers, algorithm clip raster by mask layer finished without any errors. Then close this one. Okay, great. So now let me change some symbologies. I don't want the largest dataset. Let me play with this one. Go to symbology, go to single band pseudo color. For example, let me change this one to continuous. Okay, this one, it is less than 945 meters below above sea level, the lowest one, and this is the largest one, the highest elevation. Yes. Now let me change to this to linear. Apply. Yes, great. The first one is the highest elevation is 4,540, and the lowest one is minus 196 below sea level. And this one is totally changed, which is 2,324 is the highest elevation above meters above mean sea level, and this one is 897 above mean sea level. So this is basically what we have this data set. Now let us calculate other things. For example, go to raster, go to extraction, go to contour. So the target layer is the clipper mask. The band, for example, let us go the interval between contour lines. For example, let me change to this 20 meters elevation. So run. Close. Great. Go to contours. And you can change the lines, the single lines. The line color can change this one to this one. If you want to this one. Yes. Okay. Apply. Yes. Okay, great. Stroke style. You can select this one. Apply. If you want. Yes, great. So, okay. And let us go to labels. For example, no labels. Select single labels. By what you going to level. Let me select, for example, elevation. Okay. Yes. Yes. Great. Yes. At the elevation of this area, 1,380 meters above sea level. Above sea level. Okay. So this is what we have today. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.